One server can run a whole application. It serves pages, runs logic, and stores data. For a small number of users, this is perfect. But traffic grows. More users arrive, requests pile up, the server slows down, and eventually it cannot keep up. You cannot fix this forever by hoping fewer people show up. Scaling is the art of serving more load without falling over. There are two basic ways to scale. The first is vertical scaling. Make one server bigger with more CPU, memory, and faster disks. It is simple, but it has a ceiling, and big machines get expensive fast. The second is horizontal scaling. Add more servers and split the work between them. Horizontal scaling can grow much further, but it introduces a new question. If there are many servers, who decides which server handles each request? Horizontal scaling works best when servers are stateless. A stateless server keeps no important data of its own. It reads what it needs from a shared store and writes results back. If a user session lives inside one server's memory, that user is stuck to that server, and you cannot freely add or remove machines. So we pull state out, sessions, data, and files move into shared databases, caches, and object storage. Now any server can handle any request. The moment your system spans more than one machine, those machines talk over a network. And the network is not reliable. Messages can be delayed, lost, duplicated, or arrive out of order. A server can look dead when it is only slow. This single fact is the root of most distributed systems difficulty. Almost every technique in this series exists to manage an unreliable network and the failures it creates. Adding servers is only the start. If every request still flows through one balancer and all data still lives in one database, you have many web servers but two single points of failure. A real scalable system spreads requests, replicates and partitions data, caches hot results, and removes the single choke points one by one. The rest of this series builds those pieces in order. So the mental model is this. Scaling means going from one server that does everything to many servers that cooperate. Spread the requests, move state into shared stores, and expect the network to fail. Everything else in distributed systems is built on these three ideas. In the next lesson, we look at the component that decides where each request goes, the load balancer. That is how traffic gets spread across the fleet. Thank you for watching.